This block print wallpaper is simply gorgeous. I have used it in 2 rooms in my house now, and this is my largest scale one that I have done. It has a really super pretty print on it. I believe it's like of a sunflower, and the background's kind of like a papyrus look. This is more like this greenish gray. I kind of feel like it pulls, in my room at least, a little bit more on the green side possibly, but it is definitely super neutral. And it could go with a lot of different looks and styles. It would go really cute small scale. Obviously I did a lot larger scale in this room, and I just love how it turned out. This has been in here probably for a couple months now, probably a good 3 months I would say. And I don't see any of the seams. This is a seam right here. None of the seams have come up at all. I've actually had it in my dining room for over a year, and none of the seams have come up either. I have done a lot of peel and stick wallpaper in my house, and this is the only one that has not come up on the seams where I've had to like re-glue or almost just take down the whole wallpaper. So the quality is really great, and it's just really pretty. And so obviously I liked it enough that I put it in 2 rooms in my house and did it on a larger scale in here. On that note, I believe I used about 8 rolls of this. Only one of those rolls was a little bit different color than the other. So if you were to do a larger scale like this, I would suggest buying them all at the same time, or buy one of the larger rolls, so you can make sure that you get the same color. That being said, it is the color difference. You can't even tell, you guys. This one is the one that is a little bit different in color. So it is not even like noticeable. But if it does bug you, I would suggest trying to order them all at the same time, or all